What's going on, guys? LUDEDUDE back here again. Well, after I had put in the new thermostat, put everything together, about to so far so good. Hold on here. Alright, sorry about that. So anyway, here's an update. So, grab a flashlight here. Again, I apologize. So, thermostat and all that's back together. Put the new thermostat in, polished up the thermostat housing, and then I'm still running these heater hoses, which are working so far. So did that, and then took the VTEC solenoid off, and then repainted it, cleaned it all up, and then also did the cover on the front for, I don't know what it goes to, but it's probably the radiator. So redid that, cleaned that all up inside. Also replaced the old hose clamps with these ones, so they're easier to access and get off. And then I took the iacv valve off, which is this right here. Took that off. Took the rubber seals out and cleaned them really good. Took it all apart and cleaned it. So that was part of my idle issue problem. So I cleaned that all up and then put it back together. Pretty much it. So far it's been running good. But haven't had any overheating issues. Oh, and I took this off as well and cleaned it. This right here, that white piece, took it out, cleaned it, so got that all taken care of. And then today I decided to put a front lip on the Civic. So can't really tell, but and then I opted to go with doing this. So it might look odd and strange to other people, but I like it. So this gives the Civic more an aggressive look, so did that. So now this is what it looks like. Not too bad of a lip. That came off of a VW Cabrela, 1970 something. So yeah, not too bad. But so far so good with the thermostat housing. I won't know for sure until I hit the freeway, but it seems like it's acting normal, like it should, and it opens when it's supposed to, so that's always good. But that's pretty much it. So I think I got it, and I triple checked for leaks from the water pump, and there's no leaks, so I'm guessing it was just need a new thermostat. So, and I'm gonna hope that's what it was. So, like I said, this right here is for the fan switch. So when the engine needs to cool down, this switch tells the fan, the radiator fan, to turn on to cool down the engine. So I gotta get a new one of these so I don't have to keep bypassing this. So that's pretty much it though. But yeah, not too long, too big of a video. Just putting things back together and then put a front lip on. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Bingo. Oh, that's not focusing. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share, comment. Until next time, LUDEDUDE out.